Hello everyone, I am welcoming all of you in my online class number 3 on lecture number 10, and the topic of the lecture number 10 is basic networking. In today's class, at first I would like to discuss about network topology. So let's see what is network topology. A network topology is the way computer system or network components connected to each other. That means inside the network we might have number of devices, so network topology will define how those devices are connected with each other, or you can say how they are organized, right? So now I would like to discuss about different network topology. First of all, we have point to point communication. Let's see what is point to point. Point-to-point networks consist exactly two hosts. That means in this point-to-point communication, we have exactly two computers or two devices, and they will be connected with each other. So in the picture, you can see this is computer number 1, this is computer number 2, and by using a cable, they are connected. And this computer can send data to this computer, or this computer can send data to this computer. Okay, that's why they're telling point-to-point network consists exactly two hosts connected back to back using a single piece of cable. This is a single piece of cable, and this is the first computer, this is the second computer, right? Now let's see what is the next topology we have. Next topology is bus topology. This topology is a very simple one. Okay, so let's see what we have here. All devices are connected to this shared line. So here you will get a dedicated shared line. You can say this is the backbone, and all the devices, like here we have 5 computers, all of them are connected with this shared cable, right? And here we have T-shaped connector. Okay, so here we have one T-shaped connector, here we have one T-shaped connector. Okay, this T connector will connect these devices. Okay, right? And it is one of the simple form of networking where a failure of a device does not affect the others. So this is the advantage, you can say. So if somehow if one of your computer not work properly, still this network can work. Okay, you can send data from one computer to another computer, but failure of the shared communication line make all other devices fail. Suppose if you have any problem regarding the in this backbone or in this share line, then the whole network will be down. Okay, and both ends of the shared channel have line terminator. So here we have one line terminator, you can see. Okay, and here we have another line terminator. Okay, in the both side we have two line terminator, right? So this is the basic concept of bus topology. Our next topology is star topology. In star topology, mainly we have number of host computer and one central device. Okay, and all the host computer will be connected with this central device. All hosts in star topology are connected to a central device known as hub device using a point-to-point connection. So this device is a networking gear, you can say networking device. This is called hub. Okay, or you can say, you can use here switch, no problem. And all the computers, all the devices are connected with this device, with this central device. And see, in between these two devices, consider this device, this computer, and this switch. Okay, in between them they have point-to-point connection, and same to all other devices. Okay, point-to-point connection, here also point-to-point connection, point-to-point connection, point-to-point connection, and at last here we have point-to-point connection. So star topology is not expensive as to connect one more host only one cable is required and configuration is very simple, right? Okay, so like the main advantage of this star topology is this is very simple. And suppose for an example, this computer is not working properly, still these other computers, other devices, they can work properly. But what happens if you have any problem with this hub or switch, then whole network will be down. So this is the main disadvantage of this star topology. Our next topology is ring topology. So let's see what we have in the ring topology. And the shape basically look like the ring. Okay, that's why we can call it ring topology. In ring topology, each host machine connect to exactly to other machine, creating a circular network structure. Suppose consider this computer. Okay, this computer connect with to other computer, this one and this one. Okay, so same thing as true for this computer. This computer connect with this computer and this computer. That's why they are telling each host machine connect to exactly to other machine. When on host tries to communicate or send message to a host which is not adjacent to it, the data travels through all intermediate host. So suppose this is computer number 1. Okay, and suppose this is computer number 3. Okay, there is no direct connection in between this computer. So this number one computer send data or information or message to this third computer. What I have to do, either I have to go through this number 2 computer or number 4 computer. Directly I cannot send message to this third computer from the computer number 1. So you can easily understand there is a privacy issue. Okay, right. So this is the disadvantage of this computer. Okay, failure of any host result in failure of the whole ring. Okay, so if this computer not work properly, then okay, you might face trouble in your network. Okay, so this is the thing. Now our next topology is mesh topology. Uh, Mesh topology, this one is you can say a little bit complex topology. Okay, but this one is very reliable one. In this type of topology, a host is connected to one or more than two hosts. So mainly here what happened, one computer will be connected with other computer. So this computer connect with 1 2 3 4 4 other computer. Same thing true for all other computer. I mean they are connected with each other. So we have two types of mesh topology. One is full mesh topology, another one is partial mesh topology. Let's see what is full mesh topology. In full mesh topology, all the devices will be connected with each other. So mainly when we need a very reliable connection, when we need a very sophisticated connection, sophisticated network system, on that time we use full mesh. Okay, so it will increase the cost. The configuration might be complex, but this is the most reliable one. And there they mention one thing, thus every new host this amount of cable are required. Okay, so here one formula is given. The formula is n into n minus 1 by 2. Suppose here 1 2 3 5 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5 computers we have. So if I calculate, so 5. Okay, so let me write it down here. Okay, 5, then 5 minus 1, okay, by 2. So if I write down the answer, then it will be 10, isn't it? That means for 5 hosts I need in total 10 connection. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, in this way, if you have 6 7, you can calculate with your own. Okay, and partial means all the network will not be connected with each other. Okay, right. That's all about today's lecture. Thank you everyone.